This is a 500 ml water bottle. If you buy this in your grocery, it will cost you about 25 pesos. If you buy this in your convenience store, prices may go up to about 35 pesos. Interestingly enough, if you go to a 5-star hotel or a resort, this water bottle may cost you up to about 500 per bottle. What is the lesson? It is the same water bottle, it is the same brand, it is the same quantity, but the prices significantly changes depending on the people and their perception of how much it is worth. My lesson to you today is simple. You and I are valuable. We are worthy. So ask yourself, are you in a place or a community that gives you the value that you deserve? Do people treat you the way you're supposed to be treated as a beautiful creation of God? If not, my advice to you is simple. Don't throw these people out of your heart, but maybe distance yourself, because I want you to consider plugging yourself into a community or with people or in an environment that will treat you the utmost value that you deserve. Remember, it is important to treat yourself the worth that you are.